YouTube members, just a heads up, I added a few more patterns to our member cloud. Well, actually, it's your member cloud. I have the new stocking with the tree on it, the Christmas tree, and I added the new Victorian stocking. I hope you enjoy the patterns, and you remember there's a lot more. We just put up the dangles last week. It says last week, and there's so many more patterns. So enjoy. The link will be changed to protect the files and protect your membership, and that will be done in the members only discussion area of our community. If you are a member, you will get an update and see the new link. And just wanted to say thanks again for being a member. Again, in Christmas, you'll see in the Christmas folder, we updated with Victorian stocking and the tree stocking, as well as all the others. You know what's there. If you're not a member, please consider joining today. The perks are amazing. And to our members, once again, thank you very much for your support.